Hello, boys and girls. Thanks for coming. I can tell you a story about the forest. In summer, I go to the forest. How do you go there? I get there by car. What birds do you see? I see a woodpecker. What do you do? I pick up flowers. What do you eat? I eat berries. What animals do you meet? I meet a raccoon. What animals do you feed? I feed a squirrel. What do you wear? I wear a cap, I wear sunglasses, I wear a t-shirt, shorts and sandals. Let's go to the forest together. Bye-bye. Have to scare kitty cat out of door. Dinosaur. Good luck. Do you like my stories? I hope so. Bye-bye.
Speak Russian and speak English. Do you speak English and do you speak Russian? Yes, no. Do you speak Russian? No, yes. I do speak Russian. Я говорю на русском. I do speak English. Я говорю на английском.